All right, a quick video on how to do these problems in Excel and SPSS. So this is a one sample t-test. This is a stated claim from a population. So we're going to go ahead and take our sample, find the mean, compare this mean to that mean, you know what I mean, and then go ahead and make our decision. So SPSS does not do one sample t-test. We have to trick it. So we're going to go ahead and type in 125 all the way down. And let me show you a trick here. We're going to do the format painter here. And we're basically just going to put it all the way down there. Bam. Okay, so the data's set up. You're going to go up to the Data tab. Data. We're going to go to Data Analysis. You know what I mean? Data Analysis. Yes, I'm recording. And then you're going to go to, because it doesn't do one sample, we are going to trick this and we're going to call it a t-test paired two samples. Okay, click OK. First range, click highlight the first column. Click, make sure your cursor's in the second variable to range, highlight the column. And you're going to tell the software where you want the output. So I'm going to click the output range and I'm going to basically say, put it right here. Boom. Or right here somewhere. Just put it somewhere. Click, click, click. Give it to me, give it to me, give it to me. Because we're not sure if our sample mean is going to be higher or lower than 125. We're just going to call it a two-tailed t-test. So we look at the critical p-value for the two-tailed t-test, and it looks good to me. According to the output, there was a significant difference there, right? This is less than 0.05. But everything you need to know is right here, degrees of freedom 17. And the t-test statistic is right there, 2.57. So that's it in Excel. So this is a two-sample t-test, independent t-test, because Carl's Jr. and Jack in the Box are two separate groups, right? So the DB is the number of buns. So we're going to go ahead and go to Data and Analysis. I'll get that right one of these days. And scroll down. This is a two-sample assuming equal variance. So we always assume equal variance, okay? And then we click OK, and variable range 1 is the Carl's data. Click the cell. Beta 2 is the Jack in the Box data. And where do I want this? I want this right around E6, I guess. So the output's going to go right around E6. Click OK. And so read the question again. So this is a greater than, right? Because we're saying that he's saying that Jack in the Box buys more than Carl's. So this is a one-tailed test. So a p-value one-tailed test is less than 0.05. The p-value is less than 0.05. So you have a significant difference between the two groups. That was pretty easy. Okay, let's do the next one. We're on a roll here. So now the test is between McDonald's and Jack in the Box. Again, this is a one-tailed test because this guy's saying that McDonald's buys more than Jack in the Box. So we're going to do basically the same thing. We're going to go to Data Analysis. I got it right. T-test two sample assuming equal variance. That's going to be okay. We're going to highlight the data. Right, there's your first column of data. Click into the second one. There's your second column of data. And again, I'm just going to have it put it on E6. Click OK. So this is a one-tailed t-test. And we have a p-value of 0.007, which is less than 0.05 for you guys that might get confused on that 0.05, 0.007 thing. So there was a significant difference. In other words, McDonald's was selling more buns than the other guys. So the last one is a paired t-test. So pre-tests, and then everybody got job coaching, job satisfaction, something, and then did a post-test. Both of them are measuring satisfaction, okay? So we're going to go to Data. We're going to go to Data Analysis. And this one is a paired t-test. Remember, pre, post, paired. Uses different calculations. So let's go ahead and line up our data. So variable 1 is pre-test data. Variable 2 is post-test data. And again, I want them to put it out. Oh, where do I want them to put them out? Yeah, D7 is fine, I guess. Click OK. So did it improve? Again, that's a greater than. That makes it a one-tailed t-test. So here's our one-tailed t-test statistics. 0.07. It's close, but no, it did not. So you would not reject the null here. In other words, this guy's coaching did not significantly increase job satisfaction scores. But that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed these. MGZ.